If you only have one carbon, you're lighter. And if you're lighter, you become a gas easier. If you become a gas easier, you're more volatile. And if you're more volatile, you're more explosive. So I want you to notice the difference between these two. Please don't be recording yet. When Arjun lights, Arjun drunk. I'll be doing this one. Alright, you guys ready? Okay, back up a little bit.
How come you got scared?
You'll see why. It's never been that
Still going.
It has never been that loud before. Whoa. Alright. Okay, guys. So, which one, propanol or methanol, was more combustible?
Methanol.
Methanol. Okay, only one carbon. Okay, it's got a